can't remember much before the situation.
So what happened?
I shit myself.
Stand down for the best now.
I've been caught in 4K.
Yeah, you have.
Oops.
What are we doing?
I'm pretending I know what I'm doing. Jack's doing what he's doing. Hey, Jack, you're on the camera. Wait, roles are reversed. Holy shit.
I know.
What's going on? There's so much going on in this video. We're actually taking the engine out of the car. After Jay. I think the guy said it had piston failure, but it doesn't sound like it's got piston failure. It's got a slight misfire. So that'll be interesting.
It's not as bad as it normally is, though.
There's also, guess what? It's going to be like heart attack. This engine's coming out, but there's one we did earlier.
We've got to strip that one. That one?
It's going to be like heart attack, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, I'm checking drive shafts out of this. We're going to do a little vlog style video today. Because people seem to like that, don't they?
Yeah, stop looking at my crotch.
What? We've actually got an hole!
Yeah, I know,
Actually
stop
got an hole.
looking. Whoa.
That drive shaft took the piss, didn't it?
No.
Yeah. It did.
Oh, straight away.
What happened though?
Which bit?
The bit where you smacked yourself in the face.
I punched myself in the nose. I can't say it felt nice because I didn't.
Are you sure?
It felt lovely, didn't it?
I thought it did, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a few more bits left to take off of this, and then engine has to come out. You might be like, well, why are you taking it out from the front? Because it's just easier, rather than taking the subframe off. And two, we don't have a ramp, and to be fair, we don't really need a ramp, because the majority of the engines we take out, in fact all of them, come out the front.
Who wants to run a ramp in this energy crisis?
Yeah, exactly. You tell him. You tell him. In this energy crisis, even though we've got 2 points for a ramp. Wow, you just weed everywhere. Are you alright, mate?
Do you not think it's like we... Are you sniffing fuel lines?
No.
Jack!
No.
Do you not think it's weird that we are recording again? It's a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm apparently now an addict.
Yeah, you are. It's fuel though, it's fine. I like this bit of fuel.
I'm only addicted to nicotine and Red Bull.
Well, that fuel smells good. Well, if you can smell what we're smelling right now. So, the problems we have is...
Why are you getting confused?
I'm not getting confused, I know you stand on the subframe
Yeah.
to the back, because you can't reach because the bonnets are really fucking long.
Bonnets?
Yeah, well, the engine bay. So yeah, it's good to actually be recording again, so if you do appreciate these vlogs, make sure you smack in the like and the commenting down below, please, if you can. Obviously, you know, it's nice to hear what you guys think, nice to hear what you guys did. And there's a fucking plane outside! Is that you weird?
No. It's alright, there's a tray under there, I'm prepared.
Yeah, this time. Last time it went everywhere, and we had to spend ages cleaning it all up.
Yeah, do you know what I think we should do a video on?
What?
Pros and cons of being a mechanic.
Yeah, actually, we probably should. What it's like to be a mechanic.
Should you be in the trade or not?
Absolutely fucking not.
I can see your eyes. It's on 16 times zoom, mate. God, I wonder if they could see all your wrinkles in 4K. You know, you're like fucking 47.
I'm 27.
No, you're 47.
27. What are you doing?
It's a bit warm today.
What are you doing?
It's warm, alright?
Your tits are
It's like,
flapping.
it's like 30 odd degrees outside. I feel like I'm in a wind tunnel. Do you know when you stick your head out window, like when you're copying your dog in your car? I feel like that because I can't breathe right now. Oh, it's a bit cold though. That's on the low side. Wow.
So we're back to this engine now. We've had something to eat, but me and Jack was discussing about dreams And Jack had a dream last night, didn't you? Jack, what was what was this dream?
It wasn't a pleasant one. I mean, it was up until the point.
So what happened?
I can't remember much before the situation.
Do you know what's weird about dreams? You never can though, can you? But then you remember the weird shit. Wait, literally.
It was weird.
So what happened?
I shit myself.
In your dream?
Yeah.
Right. So if anybody is one of them people that knows what dreams mean, please let us know what it means when you see yourself shit yourself in your dream.
I didn't see myself, I felt myself.
Speaking of, I'll be back in a minute.
I'm sure you I'm sure you just said, why is my balls red?
I said my ball red.
No, I'm sure you said balls red.
I'm sure you've got something on your mind, mate.
Anyway, engine's coming out. We've still got two to strip, but it's like 30 fucking degrees today, and that's not even a joke. Why is it like we decide to carry on working when it's like 30 degrees?
Because you're stupid people.
Very stupid people. Very, very stupid people. Yeah, it needs to go high, mate.
Do you think?
Think so.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm just guessing. But I think it needs to go higher. These engines are so awkward to get out.
That's not that
You
they're
have to
all.
like twist them and then like manoeuvre them and they're not very nice.
Jack, it's leaking. It's leaking. It's leaking.
It's stuck is what it is.
It's stook. It's stook. Jack, it's stook. Anyhow. Anyhow. This engine looks like it's got piston 1 failure, doesn't it?
Yes.
What makes you think that?
Let me guess.
Piston 1 goes rattle, 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 rattle. No, look. There we go. There's one. The engine's the other way, just so you know. Turbo's on the back on these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That don't look very good, does it?
Broken.
Moist.
That's staying.
Simba. Oh my god, it actually has. Do you know what? Actually, you know what we could do? And do you know what we never actually promised people we'd do? Flock your head.
Why can't I flock your head?
Because you've got more bold than me. You've been more bold than me for a longer time. You're receding faster. Now you're 47. Now you're 47. Yeah, Louis is catching. Now you're 47. This happens quite a lot on these engines, doesn't it?
You're seeing this break a lot more than other things.
And to be honest, now these cars are getting older, we're seeing a lot more of them, aren't we? Like this, I mean, two went just not long ago before these. So.
Can you see the excitement or hear the excitement?
What, the fact that more J's are coming in? Yeah, you love them.
I
hate them too. Why do we do this? So, show them.
That is meant to be up here.
Holding that.
Yeah. But currently, it does nothing.
We've got some flappage.
There's a lot of flappage.
So, if you start hearing a clacking noise on these engines and you've got one, drop us a message. Because you're going to fuck your engine.
To be fair, though, you can just have a set of chains on it and that one's fine.
Yeah,
This one's got a separate issue.
He's definitely got a separate issue. But usually, 9 times out of 10, to be fair though, when you see that damage with the chains, there's usually something wrong with the pistons, isn't there?
Yes.
Because it messes up the timing, the valves do some bangage, and it loves it. But sometimes codes don't even come up though on these either, do they?
No, there's no codes in this one.
No, so don't always think there's something wrong if there's a code, because bear in mind, if there isn't a code, there could still be something wrong. On this engine, it looks like somebody may have done some work before on it. And why, do you ask? It's because of the actual bores themselves. They look...
Shit.
Yeah, they look like they've been honed. It's not something that you usually see from factory, and it's not something that a piston would make. Let me just see if I can... There, look. So there. The hatching's different. It's not even hatching really, is it? It's like just circular rings everywhere. And it sounds... It's rough as anything. Listen. You can probably hear that. It's just really rough. Here you can see the difference in the first piston as well. It's really wet. And there's a bit of metal as well. There's a bit of metal in this one, this cylinder as well, actually. Just here. Right there.
Oh no, that's not metal.
That is.
I know that is.
Yeah. So,
Oh.
more investigations needed. There's actually another really, really obvious sign that it's actually had a rebuild at some point. Not a very good one. What you may ask? So, Jack holds this photo up here. He's got it the same way. You can see there. And then look at this one. So what's the difference? You got 3 seconds in the comments. 3, 2, 1. Right, pistons are the wrong way. So if you saw on them 2 photos, you're going to go back now, aren't you guys? You're going to go back and look. This is actually the wrong way around. It should be the other way.
Yeah, because he's direct injection, so the inject from this side, so pulls it in. But can't do that because...
And that's how you know it's direct injection as well, because of the pooling on the piston. That's what that's for. To help stop detonation in it, basically. So it don't go everywhere. But these are the wrong way around, so no wonder there's been an issue. So we was right in the fact that it has been turned around, but that is a simple way of knowing that it has been touched before. But you don't look out for the simple things though, do you? It's like as soon as you get a suspicion, you then start. So the cylinders is what we notice first. So it has had a hone, it has had the standard pistons put back in, it's had new rings on it, I'm assuming, possibly, maybe, but the hone is very
doubt
bad.
it.
No, maybe not. So the person who obviously did, wow, the timing chains, because they would have probably took them off, wouldn't they, after for that as well? Unless they tried, yeah, so they must have reused them for him to be that weak as well. Snap, which again is a no-no, because they didn't look new either, did they, the chains?
No, they're false to be fair.
So no wonder this engine was failed. It's just a matter of time, really, especially if pistons are in the wrong way round.
This is why I should take it to someone that kind of knows what they're doing.
Exactly. Kind of knows what they're doing. So we're on to piston 1. Now, the pistons are actually a different brand. There's something called KS, is it?
Yeah, Cobble Schmidt.
So it's had a rebuild, so they're not GM pistons. So there's a crack in this piston,
Yeah.
which is just there, and then there's also...
That's actually the ring though.
Yeah, well that could be why it's really wet on top, in all honesty, if it's chucking...
I wouldn't say that one.
No?
No, I'd say something to do with this bit.
No, don't be silly. I mean, if he stays there quickly, you can see right there, there's a crack. Now, he's going to show you, 1 second,
how far this
We're
goes.
going to have to be quick because the camera's going to die, but how far this crack actually goes. Watch. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that just crazy? That is insane. It just goes to show that pistons can look alright, but you have to inspect them. We've had coursers come in like this, and they've not been an issue. Was that car misfiring?
Yeah.
It was misfiring, wasn't it? See, the next engine wasn't misfiring, so it'll be interesting to see what's on that. But we've had cars come in.
You can see all the carbon in there.
Yeah, so it's been a while that haven't been misfiring, and they've got this issue.